Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We are actually going to be going to Tall Plants today. I haven't been out plant shopping in a very long time. I am very excited because this is actually the first time that I'm using my camera out in public. I hope I don't get too camera shy. I am going to be delivering one of the plants that I sold in my Houston house plant purge that I did. This is actually the last plant that I'm going to be delivering, and we chose Tall Plants, and I am very excited because apparently they have some cool plants in, and I thought that it would be fun to take you guys along with me and, get to look at all of the cool plants that they have in stock. They've been having a whole lot more like rare plants. I know that my friend was there this morning and she said that there was a bunch of like really cool Hoya. I know that their prices are like a little bit on the high side, but I still wanted to show you all that they seem to really be stepping up their game in the rare plant game. So yeah, let's just go ahead and go. My background is like super washed out. Hopefully I can get a hold of how to use this camera correctly. So yeah, let's just go ahead and go. So we're at Tall Plants, wearing a mask, have hand sanitizer with me. I already see some Hoya and some really cool begonia. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what's around here.
influx of people, so I'm like waiting out here. They had a lot of really cool plants, but I'm not buying anything over $50, and they didn't have anything under $50 that I would have wanted. So that was Tall Plants. Definitely check out the section like within the office area. It's definitely where they keep the majority of their like really cool plants.
So this was supposed to be like a shop with me video where I was going to like different plant nurseries, but I ended up just going to Tall Plants. So sorry to like cut off the video so abruptly. It's like the same thing that happened whenever I went to Tiffany's. I really need to figure out how to work my camera out in public because it's just not the easiest thing to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry that there wasn't very much audio and it was kind of just music. They had music playing in the background, so I had to mute that, and then I was too lazy to do a voiceover because it was passing the plants too quickly, so it really wasn't worth it. So I hope you guys still enjoyed the video. Hopefully the next time I go to Tall Plants I can actually like film a proper like calm down video. But I hope you guys enjoyed anyway. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!